hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you, how to make slime. So, let's get started. We need egg roll. Not so good, I'm just going to add in glitter because I found it and use it. Optional foam beads. You can put that, I'm not going to for this one. Then you can add it. Something juicy. And optional lotion. And this is like the biggest thing you need in this. So you're going to need your bowl. Then the first thing you're going to do is pour in the desired amount of glue. We can pour about that much. Now, next thing I do is I add in my add-ins. So I'll add in some glitter. But in the end, I'm probably going to think I shouldn't have did this, but you know, whatever. So I'm going to add in some rainbow foam beads. Or all my rainbow foam beads. And then I mix. And once you've mixed it all in, you can tell what I have. You are going to want to, you can either add in some lotion or hair gel. I barely add any because this lotion works very well and it melts the slime a lot. So I don't need a lot. And now, you're just going to add in your activator. Okay, I just got it all in my hand. So now I'm going to use my magic powers, and when I come back, this will be activated. Now, as you can tell, it's not quite yet activated, as you can probably tell, but it's not sticking to my hands. Well, it is a little, so it's not sticking into my hands. As you can tell, this isn't completely activated yet, but now I thought it would be a good time to tell you. So first of all, make sure you add in your activator slowly, and once your slime starts sticking to the side of the bowl, you're going to want to just start kneading it until it's done. And if you're really impatient, like me, I don't recommend you make slime because kneading takes about 5 minutes per slime. So, yeah. But again, I'll see you when it's fully activated, unless I have another appointment. So I've made this slime. If you make a slime, it will not stick to your hands, and it will not be sticking to the side of the bowl. So I've been kneading this for about 2 minutes, and it finally came together. I will do some ASMR. I know some people hate when these nails will go that, so I'm sorry if I do that, but yeah. So I don't know if I should do it from this angle or from guys, thank you for watching, and that is how you make and you don't add. And if you've been wondering, well you probably haven't, but if you wondered what you can use for activator, you can use 1 teaspoon of borax to a cup of water, or, and like that disintegrate, or you can use the starch, which is not low, which is what is in this bottle, but if you do have a clear slime, here, let me show you one.